That's not working. Let's do something else. We'll extract the screws using one of these guys here. They're very useful for stripped screws, but should work well in this case too. Get the aluminum out. Can't get to the screw. Oh, that's a first. There you go. Finally, we got it. The screw got a little stripped, so these are super useful. It took me a while to, buy them, to decide to buy them. There's all sorts of different ones on Amazon.com. These things, so valuable. Such time savers. So you can see I took out the heat sinks that were on top, and there's still more heat sinks below. So there's quite a bit of aluminum, which is kind of surprising. Things are annoying. You have these weird bolts in the back, and the screw is like spinning. So let's try to do something here. Almost there. Oh. Let's see, you can bust it. I guess I can just be violent and break it, but I try not to smash things when I'm taking things apart. There you go. That's that. Let's see. Let's try to get in there.